Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to program universal remote to Sanyo TV. I'll explain the step by step process. Please keep watch on this video. Here I tell about how to program a universal remote to Sonia TV for two method, that is called with code and without code. First of all, I am going to tell about with code only. For this first step is turn on your Sanyo TV on and press and hold the setup button on your GE remote until the red LED light comes. After the light comes and stays solid, you can release the button. Next, press and let go of the TV button on GE remote. The red light will be blink and confirm your selection. Now type in the Sanyo TV code that you find using the number buttons. As soon as you enter the last digit, the red light will be go off. Then next, test the remote by pressing the power button and see if it comes on. Also press some other buttons like the volume buttons and see how the Sanyo TV is responding to the remote. Here I am tell about next method, that is called how to program universal remote to Sanyo TV without codes. If you don't want to use the Sanyo TV codes, you can use auto code search to set up the remote. For this first step is turn on Sanyo TV manually. Then press and hold the setup button until you see a red light on the remote. You can release the button. The light should be stay on. Next, press the TV button. Program the remote for Sanyo TV. The red light will be blink once a response. After that, you need to aim the remote to at your Sanyo TV. Press the power button. Then release it. The remote will be transmit 10 codes to the TV for testing. If the TV turns off, it means its suitable code has been found. However, if the TV does not turn off, press the power button again to send the next set of codes. Do this until the TV turns off. Now turn your Sanyo TV back on manually. Point the remote at Sanyo TV, press the volume up button and the release it. This will replay the last 10 codes. If the TV turns off, press the TV button, the one we pressed in what I am explained previously to save the code. If the TV does not turn off, press the volume up button again. Keep pressing the button every 3 seconds until the TV turns off. Then press the TV button to save it. To see if the remote is functioning correctly, press the few buttons and see how it responds. If the responses are not correct, repeat the process.